You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. I've been getting a lot of requests, Butch. They've been saying, well, one people say, where's Butch? And
One people said that?
One people. And I'm one, like the number one.
Oh, yeah, item number one.
People say, where's Butch? When I do a food video.
Here I am.
And I try to explain to them that Butch is not really in a lot. He's in like Pop-Tart videos, not where I'm actually creating and mixing, except for Dr. Dreadful.
That's where you draw the line, LPS-Dave. I can be quite annoying in these videos when you're making something.
But I'm trying to count 1 teaspoon, 2. Hey,
LPS-Dave, you ever hear the story about...
Yeah, see? But this one I thought would be simple. It's brown sugar latte flavored bubble milk tea kit with boba.
I know the theme song to this one.
Really?
Ba 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 bottle. Is that what it is?
It is Hello Kitty themed. And it does say boba bottle.
Oh, boba.
Good times. There's 8 in the set. And then, and this was like $18.
What?
It wasn't cheap.
Crazy talk, LPS.
It was not cheap.
How many servings are in there?
Well, I think I said 8. But 8 set.
Listening's a skill, Butch.
There's a direction.
You know I don't pay attention.
It's heat in the microwave for 15 seconds.
How do you heat it up, LPS-Dave?
Heat in the microwave for 15 seconds.
Okay, you might want to mention that.
In a safe bowl or cup. Then you stir your milk tea powder packet into 5 ounces of hot water.
Okay.
Pour the warm boba into that and then drink.
What exactly is boba, LPS-Dave?
Boba is like a little gummy style, little chewy thing.
Boy, you're really selling it, LPS-Dave.
Well, let's see. Boba, otherwise known as pearls, is a staple drink item of Taiwanese cuisine. According to legend, boba was invented in the southern regions of Taiwan in the late 1980s. Now the concept of iced or hot milk tea with small chewy balls of boba has taken the mainstream world by storm with boba tea shops, popping up all over the world.
So they're like gummies in tea.
Yeah. Some people just swallow them.
Okay.
Boba Bottle by Prince Katsu invites you to be delighted by the delicious taste of Taiwanese cuisine, all in convenient DIY boba kit. You can now have your favorite boba drinks ready in just 3 minutes from the comfort of your own home. Sit back, relax, and sip on everyone's favorite homemade boba beverage.
Along with Hello Kitty. Because nothing says boba beverage like Hello Kitty.
I agree with you. It says boba pearls are fully cooked and just need to be reheated. DIY homemade style milk tea with chewy fresh boba pearls. Do-it-yourself boba kit ready in 3 minutes.
Chewy is the weird thing, LPS. I don't think when I'm drinking a beverage that I need to be using my teeth.
It's different because you can't you don't want to just swallow them. You want to get them in.
How do you decide? Do I swallow or do I chew? Do I swallow or do I chew?
That's the thing. But if you drink with a straw, then you drink and then you chew. Yeah.
Then it's like...
No, not through the
flying
straw.
back.
No, we don't want to do that. I'll tell you what, let's get some supplies here. We'll come back and we will get this out of the box.
Baba.
All right, so we have a new pot in the kitchen here.
Fancy LPS-Dave.
Yeah, I thought clear would be really cool.
It's clear.
It's clear.
Wow.
So we can see exactly what's going on. So 2 cups is 10 ounces of water. I got a little bit extra here just for...
Hey, LPS-Dave, you want to hear a story?
Yeah, you tell us.
Speaking of that 2 cup measuring, I went to make pancakes last weekend.
Okay, pancakes, yeah.
You know, like the powdered stuff you buy at the store, the really fancy ones, really healthy pancakes.
Fancy, okay.
And I'm all set.
Yep.
You gave me the day off on Sunday. I didn't have to slave away in the shop, which is rare to have a weekend off. And I get all geared up, and I dump my powder, measure the powder, I put it into the bowl, and I go to start mixing in the water, and it says 4 cups of water, I think it said, or 2 cups of water, or something like that. Yeah. And I start dumping water in. And then I realized those containers are 2 cups each, and I thought they were only 1 cup each.
So did you just drink it?
Pancake soup, LPS-Dave.
That's what I would
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Pancake soup. Now, as you can see, I'm putting out some cups here.
Hello, Kitty.
I want to see which one you want to have your little...
I like that one with the lid.
That one? Okay. Now, this is heating up. Let me get this going. Okay. It shouldn't take long. I'm going to open up the kit now. And by the way, I have a bin of Hello Kitty.
What?
Yeah.
Of course you do, LPS-Dave. It's in the Hello Kitty aisle.
So when we're ready to start... Ooh, look at this. So there's all 8.
Organized.
Yeah. There they are. Look at them.
Oh! Oh, that's the gummies.
Little nuggets, and then 2 packs. Okay.
Oh, this is going to be nice, LPS-Dave.
So now the instructions are on the outside of the box. They don't really give you another set of instructions.
Super easy. Just make sure you realize that measuring cup is 2 cups, not
Yes,
one.
yes.
That one appears to be 1 cup.
Correct.
Next time.
This is a 1-cupper. All right, so it says stir milk tea powder packet into the water, but I don't know. We'll just leave it. We'll leave it at that. But we want to get these heating up. 15 seconds while that's heating up. Let me get the scissors. I'll tell you what. I'm going to grab another little bowl.
Careful.
And I want to change the camera, get these cups out of here, and we will get started.
A lot going on.
Yeah. All right, so you have the straw. I gave you a nice big one.
That's a giant one, LPS-Dave.
And then I brought this in measuring cup. I think I'm going to use that because I can go right to the microwave. But let's drop in the little bobas. Here we go. Ooh, they're sticky.
I have to say, LPS-Dave, this is not the most appealing, attractive-looking thing I've ever seen.
I'm going to say, well, when was the last time you saw a rabbit in your neighborhood?
16 seconds ago,
Yeah.
LPS-Dave. They are everywhere this year.
Something's reminding me about a rabbit. I don't, I don't know why.
I think I know what you're talking about, LPS-Dave.
Really? Okay, so you want this cup here.
It looks like the pupils of their eyes, is what you're saying.
Yeah. Little brown nuggets, I guess you would
Right.
call it. Smells good. Ooh,
Is
it's
it
already
brown
boiling.
sugary?
It is. So I'm going to bring this over to the microwave. I'm just going to do it off camera here. We'll do this. I'll make some room here. We'll get out the bin. We're going to have a little fun checking out
We
some
got
stuff.
boilage.
Yeah, that's why I'm rushing.
Hurry! Careful, LPS-Dave.
I just want to move this now because we're going to burn our mouths if I don't get the hot water out of there.
Yep.
Okay, so we can get this out of the way. I'll tell you what, let's get that bin out. Okay, Butch, in my Hello Kitty bin, I have an LED flashlight.
This is from the Hello Kitty aisle at the Lucky Penny Shop.
Hello Kitty little plastic bags. Oh, I forgot to start the microwave. A Hello Kitty little puffy pillow.
Keychain.
Do you have one of those? I have.
I do now.
Actually, just a bag. It says Merry Christmas. I believe that's Hello Kitty. I don't know what it is, but it's in that bin.
It must
Let me
be.
start the
LPS
microwave
Dave.
here. These are in here. We want. What do we say?
15 seconds, LPS-Dave.
Okay, tell me when that happens.
It's amazing the amount of
And
Hello
then some Hello Kitty wrapping paper. It looks like, or stickers.
Kitty. Stickers.
Stickers. More of that. A Hello Kitty little cutter. Ooh, look at that. A Hello Kitty mini decorating kit.
Wow.
I think we did that. All right, that's 15 seconds, isn't it?
Wow, that's 2 minutes and 36 seconds, LPS-Dave.
Well, no, I was watching. I set it for 3, and then Okay, then let's get this going.
I like my mug, LPS-Dave.
And I'm going to do 5 ounces here. And I'm going to give a little bit more to each of us. A little more for you, and a little more for me. Okay.
Thanks, LPS-Dave.
There we go.
I'll take it just like this.
And then the last step is putting the pearls in. So let's.
Yeah, I gotta hold those. I just want it like this.
You just want hot water? I don't think so. Now stir in the powder. And then add the boba in there. And they're warm and toasty. Let's move this here. Let's move this here. Let's show everybody the next item. A little Hello Kitty frame. Look at that.
Oh, LPS-Dave.
Yes, you just never know what you're going to find.
Oh, I know what I'm gonna find.
There we go.
A lot.
Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Ooh.
Oh, smell that, LPS-Dave. It's
smells-
filling. It's wafting.
Smells delicious.
It smells like a bag of brown sugar.
It does.
Uh-huh.
All right, let me get yours going.
Sometimes we'd sit around watching movies at night, just open up a bag of brown sugar and just go to town, LPS-Dave.
Well, if you ever need some Hello Kitty duct tape, I got you covered there.
Wow.
You just never know when you're going to need that.
You never know when you're
Yeah, I'm
going
going to zoom in to yours right here. We'll show everybody the mixing. Oh, that looks so good. It smells good, too.
You stirred that in just like they said.
Yeah, like a pro, huh? All right, now I'm going to drop in your pearls. I give you half the pearls. They're warm.
Don't you ever feel like you're casting pearls before swine, LPS-Dave?
I don't know what that means.
You're probably better off not knowing.
Okay. Then let me give me the rest.
The grown-ups out there know what I'm talking about.
So they're going to question who got the most.
I have a feeling they'll slow-mo that and count the pearls.
Yeah, look at this. Okay, you see him in there?
Oh, that looks gross, LPS.
Oh, no. Nothing's gross here. I tell you what, here, I'm going to give you your straw. I'm going to give you your cup.
Sure,
Take that.
over, LPS-Dave.
I am going to show everybody this, the Hello Kitty card set or booklet.
Cheers, LPS-Dave.
Cheers.
I'm going to take a sip.
The Jelly Belly. Oh, yeah, I want to show everybody here. I'm going to try some of the pearls. Here we go.
The tea is very brown sugary.
It's very tasty.
Am I being noisy?
No, you're fine.
Very good.
Hello Kitty bobblehead.
They sound like I'm at the dentist and they're doing that thing where they stick the little hook thing in there and say,
Yeah, swallow.
swallow.
No, they say,
Sucker.
yeah, another little bobblehead.
Oh, that's good, LPS-Dave.
Oh, look, Hello Kitty Coco from
I'm
the
gonna try
previous
gummy.
video. I almost knocked over my whole tea. Little Hello Kitty pack. Oh, you sure are making a lot of noise there.
That's chewy, LPS-Dave.
Hello Kitty scissors.
Oh,
I'm gonna have a little bit more.
That one a little far back.
I'm gonna wipe my countertop. I gotta put more stuff here. There's so much stuff.
It's chewy, LPS-Dave.
And then a little Hello Kitty stamp, Sanrio.
Are these Jelly Belly?
McDonald's, what? No, they're not Jelly Belly. I'm almost done here. And then, oh, look, a Hello Kitty shoebox, but I have it filled with all kinds of Hello Kitty stuff that I've shown on videos.
That one went way back.
What is going on? Okay, I'm done. And then another, like a Hello Kitty bag, a Hello Kitty tin. I'm just excited to show everything I have here for this little collection. And then one
What
little
flavor?
kitty car. All right, that's it.
What flavor polish toothpaste would you like? Okay, suction.
I'm not sure what's going on here. I think he's reliving his last dentist visit.
LPS-Dave, I'm a fan.
I'm going to say it's really good. Yeah, they're hard to break through, but
Yeah,
you don't have to.
they require a bit of
Just swallow them whole.
gumminess. What? That's not fun. Yeah.
Well, I'm going to add this box to the collection, although it won't fit in the bin. This is all stuff I've shown on video, have used in a video, and it
Going
just
for the
kind of
world
ends.
record.
It
World
ends up.
record.
What's the world record? Have you actually had any yet, or you just? Are you done? That was an amazing sip, let me tell you.
World record, LPS-Dave. I need a little gummy energy.
That is an interesting flavor with the brown sugar, milk tea.
I'm just over here in my own little world, LPS-Dave.
I could see that, but squeeze into the Hello Kitty here.
Hello, can you see me, LPS-Dave? I'm back here.
I can. Did you
Hello.
enjoy it?
Fantastic,
You liked
LPS-Dave.
it. I liked it too.
Can't you tell?
I almost spilled my whole cup in a video, but
I almost was bathing in that, LPS-Dave.
it was good.
Wow, I'm
It was
exhausted.
good. It was good.
Hey, where'd all
See?
this stuff come from?
It was good. Good times.
Good times.
Which we had together today.
Uh-huh. Fact.
This is the Hello Kitty collection. Now I got to squeeze
When
in
was this all happening?
as you were sipping.
Sipping. I was
Yeah.
a little distracted.
Yeah.
And you wonder why you don't want me on videos where you're making food stuff, LPS-Dave.
Yeah, it's very distracting. Very distracting. I think it worked out though. Did I actually put? Did I boil this or? Yeah, I'm totally lost now.
I don't remember. I got all wrapped up in the boba tea.
Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody. Boba tea.
You seem pretty amped up.
Uh-huh. This stuff's great!
It is good. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.